Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Optionstradertoday. As you can see, in the natural gas price is continuously moving down, and you have to keep this in mind. I was continuously telling you from a year that there is a pattern forming in this particular zone. Okay, that whenever it goes high, we have seen there is a fall happens. Okay, and this has been repeated for 5-6 times. If you can go daily wise chart also, weekly chart also, even monthly chart also, we have seen that whenever it goes high and break that particular previous high, we have seen after making a particular new high, we have seen there is a sharp fall. Okay, and you can look at this particular charts continuously. Okay, now also this had happened after making a high of around $10. We have seen the price is was continuously moving down, and the natural gas price is trading at around $6.618, and it is quite volatile from 2022. Okay, you can see in this particular zone, because of the war, also because of the imbalance in export and import of natural gas, this is what things were happening, because we have seen the price of natural gas moving up and down. Okay, so what we can see looking at the chart for the next 2 days, and before we move forward, if you have any doubt, mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how its technical work, and a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, now look at the chart. Suppose if this level sustain, what we can see, suppose if this level sustain, we can see it can go further upside. First I'll explain you on the upside. If this level formed a swing at this particular level, we can see it can go further upside towards a level of $6.771. Okay, and if the price move above this level, then we can see it can touch a level of around $7.144. Okay, and once the price sustain above this level, then there is a high probability that we can see it can go further upside towards a level of $7.216. Okay, and from there we can see it can make and touch a level of around $7.388. Okay, and once the price goes above $7.388, then there is a probability that we can see here it can go further upside and can touch a level of around $7.5. Okay, $7.5. Once the price goes off 7.5, then we can see it can sustain this particular level, and a probability of moving towards a level of 7.7 is very high, and it can go further upside towards a level of $7.8, and from there we can see it can go further upside. Okay, so you have to keep this in mind. If the price goes above a level of 7.8, then we can see it can go further upside, because whenever we have seen a low, it formed a swing at this particular level and try to make a new high. Okay, so what we can see, if it form a swing at this particular level, we can see it can try to move upside, and if it goes above a level of $8, then we can see it can go further upside, and a probability of touching its nearby high and can try to move upside. Okay, so that it can break a particular new high. So this is where we have seen in all these patterns. Okay, now suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, which is a high probability that we have seen it can move further low. Okay, and now if you look at this particular previous chart also, what I have explained you, that whenever it goes high, we have seen a downfall, and this downfall is quite good. Okay, and if you look at this particular zone, the high of that particular zone is 6.5, made a low of around $3.5. You can see this, and the second time it made a high of around 9.6, made a low of around 5.2. see the difference, continuously goes half. Okay, half the price. So now it was 9.9 and now it is trading at around 6.6, made a low of $6.417. Okay, so if it forms a swing at this particular level, so we can see if this level sustain, it can go towards upside, but if this level didn't sustain, then we can see it can touch a level of $6.4. Okay, and if the price didn't sustain this particular level also, then we can see the next support, it can go and touch a level of $6.2. Okay, and once the price fall below $6.2, then there is a high probability that we can see it can touch a level of $5.9. Okay, and once the price fall below $5.9, then there is a high probability we can see it can move further down and can touch a level of around 5.3. You have to understand, once the price fall 5.9, then the next resistance coming at around 5.7, and from there we can see a probability of moving further low that it can touch a level of 5.3, because as you can see, looking at this particular zone, we can see support coming at around 5.7, and from there we can see a level 5.5 to a level of 5.3. okay, again I repeat, suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, we can see it can touch a level of $6.4, and from there we can see it can move further down and can touch a level of around 5.9. once the price fall below this particular level, we can see a level of $5.4, and from there we can see it can touch a level of $5.2. and if the price didn't sustain 5.2 also, then there is a higher probability of touching 4.9, and if the price fall below 4.9, then we can see it can move further low. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs in the description and a Telegram link also. If you want to attend the workshop regarding trading on psychology and how to strategize your trade, you can mail me regarding that, and we can work out on the timings. So understand something, if you are trading, you have to be very careful, because most of the people lose money in trading. okay, how you can save your capital? Fix your percentage for that particular trade, that is around 1 to 1.5 or 2%. okay, or try to maintain your day risk. Suppose if you are trading with something $10,000, try to take a risk of around $50 to $100 or $200 maximum, so that you should not, your capital should not wipe out, and you should save your amount. okay, and if you want to attend the workshop, mail me regarding that, and we can work out on the timing. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.